Mr. Rogers theme. It's going to be a trip down memory lane for a lot of you. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. But for some of you, you're not going to know what this is. It's a generational thing, I guess. I'll play about 20 seconds of music for you, and then I'll teach you to do the same, as usual. Here we go. Mr. Rogers. I won't play the whole thing here, but yeah, very familiar stuff, isn't it? And what I'll do here rhythmically is kind of important because on paper, it's written as 4/4 time. You have a lot of triplets, and you have eighths that are swung. So to simplify all that, because, well, let me just be clear about what it means to swing. On paper, if you have a few eighths, like those, for example, on paper, it looks just like regular straight eighths, right? If it has a swung indication, or to swing it, it means you have to kind of, you have to make each of these eighths a dotted rhythm. Long, short, long, short. So even though on paper it's straight eighths, the indication of swinging it means you have to make it long, short, long, short. So that, in combination with triplets that are throughout this piece, would make it really complicated to learn as it is on paper. So what I'll do is actually turn it into 12/8 time. That way you'll have a single number that aligns with basically everything that is played. Much, much easier to learn. So rhythmically, this should be a lot simpler now. The rest of it's all the same. We'll teach you the notes, I'll teach you the fingering. So we'll get right into it. The left hand is all quarters, or we'll call it dotted quarters at this point because, again, we're doing it in 12/8 time. But let me play you the first bar in 12/8 so you can see what and how I'm going to be counting this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You see? So everything that is said is going to be aligned with something that is played, or actually vice versa. Whatever is played has at least a number associated with it. Much easier to follow. Let's take care of the left hand first then. So our first bars, we'll deal with the rhythm in a moment. We have an F to start. 5, 3, 2, and 1. D in the bottom. One, 2, and 5. Next bar, G. 5, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 5, all black notes. 1, 5, just move up. And that's enough for now. So, left hand. Cool. Take a moment to learn that. Now, you can also always take advantage of the slow-mo mode at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Slow down this video if I'm moving too fast. All right, let's do the right. So we have a bunch of these things that used to be triplets. Now they're all aligning with what is being said as eighth notes. Again, rhythm later, notes first. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. So follow along. We have 3 4s and 3 3s. Once, twice, 3 times. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, sorry, that should be a 1 actually. 5, 4, 3, 1. Moving on, the fourth finger will hover above the B flat and get ready for 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. Same idea, 3 times, just different notes now. open up to 5 and 1. 4 on B flat, lift. 1, 2, and 5 to 4. So once more, that's once, twice, 3 times, open up. And you'll notice that I'm playing further up the key here because I have to reach the D flat with my thumb. And I don't want to contort my hand or twist to reach it. So I scooch up the keys here so that my thumb is in the vicinity of the of the D flat. Once, twice, 3 times, open up, 5, 1, 4, lift, 1, 2, 5, and then 4 again. Cool. Learn those notes, and here it is with the counting. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. No. Let's do it different. I'll count to 12. Let's not complicate things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next bar. 1, 2, 3, 2. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry guys, old habits die hard. Generally speaking, I never count to 12. I always do 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. But I think in this case it's helpful to count to 12. So you'll forgive me my stumbles here. Okay, so once you have that down, both of the hands separate. The left hand, I didn't touch the rhythm just yet, but it's very straightforward. You have one thing, one event, one thing that is played per 3 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's very regular, right? When you have both of these hands ready to go, it's a question of just putting them together. And it shouldn't be too hard because the hands do align in a fairly regular manner. So let's do it nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's your first bar. Moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And when you do the pedaling, wherever you have a change in the bass, so we have like a bottom and then top, and then a bottom, a top, a bottom. These bottoms are where all the pedals change. So we have one pedal for this, change here, and then change for this, and change for this. And that's that. Those are the first 2 bars. The rest of it, I'm going to complete on our website. I don't want to make these videos too long on YouTube, but the rest of it will be on our website, including this particular arrangement, which will be in 4/4 time. Hopefully that's not too confusing. But go have a look, become a member, it's free. And I'll see you on there. You'll be able to be a part of the community we have there, so you can post your videos and I can post mine in response to yours. I can help you improve. I can be basically a remote piano teacher if you so desire. And of course you can subscribe here if you haven't already. Leave a comment below, let me know how I'm doing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching and take care.